Welcome to Install Palworld. In this video, I will show you how to install Creative Menu in Palworld. So Creative Menu is a mod that can be used to add anything to the Palworld, to get any item in the Palworld. So to do that, open Steam app and go to your library, go to Palworld, then click Workshop. It's a mod, so it will be here. Go to most subscribed, or you can also search as well. And here it is, Creative Menu. Click at it. To use it, all you have to do is to subscribe it. I have already subscribed to it. Just subscribe to it. Click this button. There is no install or download. You just subscribe to it. And then you can read the instructions. F1 key will be used to trigger this mod. But first you have to enable that mod. So let's do that. Once you have subscribed to the Creative Menu, go to Library and start the game. Now from the title screen, press Options, select Mod Management. And from here, there will be Creative Menu. Make sure it is checked. It should be checked. Enable it from here and then press Save button. Right? I have already enabled it. Then start the game. And here we are. So to use the Creative Menu, all we have to do is to press F1. This is the Creative Menu. Pals, NPC, items, options, everything is here. Press F1 again and it will be disappeared. So this is how you can add Creative Menu in Palworld. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.